What's up guys, check out this VEVOR suction pool cleaner. So inside of the box it comes with this main piece, which is where the actual pool cleaner is going to go. It comes with this and this, which is going to go out and scrape the bottom of your pool, suck stuff up. And then it also comes with all of these stuff to put it together in this bag, along with some instructions. So we're going to put it together in a little bit. And it also comes with 12 hose pieces, which means you can adjust it to whatever size you need for your pool, whether it's super deep and you use all 12, or if it's super shallow and you only use a few of them. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together and show you how it works. All right, we got the hose finished up. We got it put together, connected to the vacuum inlet. So now we're gonna plug it in, see how it works.